in the chat GPT is going on? My name is Jessica. I've been waiting to use that one. In this video, we're going to talk about, my name is Jessica, by the way, and I love to talk about content monetization, content repurposing, and how to just make more money without creating a bunch of content, right? Utilizing the content that we already have to make money. So if you're into that kind of thing, then make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, do all the things, comment, all the things that helps you with the algorithm. Okay, now that we got that out the way, let's talk about what in the chat GPT is going on. So chat GPT is a platform that is an AI automation. That means augmented AI. Let's go to chat GPT and actually ask them, right? Artificial intelligence refers to the ability of a computer or machine to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as recognizing patterns, understanding language, making decisions, and solving problems. All right, we'll leave it at that. So chat GPT, and I actually just found out what GPT even stands for. Number one, chat is for chatbots. Number two, GPT is generative pre-trained transformer technology. Who knew? Who knew? So chat GPT, how can you use chat GPT in your own business and as a content creator? That is what this video is about. And let's go ahead and hop into it now that I've given you all the definition, the terms, the meanings, all that good things. How can we actually use this in our business to make money? In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about it. I'm going to talk about some ways that I've been able to actually use the tool, and we'll go ahead and of course dive into the actual tool, and I'll show you exactly what I typed in and the results. Number one is ad copy. So with ad copy, you are going to create either a Facebook ad. Now I did notice that with TikTok ads, it didn't do as well, but with Facebook ads, it was actually pretty good. So you can go in to ChatGPT and I'm telling you, let's go and hop into our first one, which is Facebook ads. ChatGPT is an ad copy. All right. So let's go ahead and let's create an ad. Let's say that we're going to do a Facebook ad. What we're going to do is type in create or write. Let me put write a Facebook ad for, and let's use one of my products. All right, so let's use this product here, how to create viral text only reels mini class that I have. All right, so it's $27. I'm going to just take this title and it just shows folks how to create these reels without your face, right? Cool way to create voiceover type content without showing your face and having to go look for video or photos or anything. You know, it's really interesting. People, I tell you all the time, there's an audience for everyone. So this is actually content that people like. They actually like to just see the text and they want to hear the voice go over. Who knew? You can add music to this as well and make it more spanky. For this particular example, I just used the text with the voice. So I show you how to do this and how to create it in this mini class. So what we're going to do is use that mini class as our product for ChatGPT, what we're going to create the Facebook ad. So we have write a Facebook ad for how to create viral text only reels mini class. And I'm just going to take it and do mini class because I don't want it to get confused with the power by and try to put in something about power or electricity or something. This is artificial intelligence. It ain't a human being. All right. So we go ahead and press that button there or press enter. And then it says, attention all content creators. Are you looking to increase your reach and engagement on social media? Join our mini class on how to create viral text only reels. In this class, you'll learn tips and tricks for crafting. Pretty good. Not bad. I mean, I would probably just put in a little bit more slang in there, you know, because my audience is like, you know, and let's just say this, that ChatGPT does not speak slang. So you're going to have to insert that yourself, just so you know. Ebonics, it don't speak that. Can't do none of that. So now we're going to go ahead and regenerate. Or just ebonics, right? Just talk, just wanting to be down with the get down. ChatGPT ain't down, okay? It's gonna give you straight grammar. Okay, so attention social media marketers. Are you looking to create, look no further, our mini class? I actually like that one better. So I would use this and then I would just copy it, paste it on like a Google Doc or inside of Evernote, wherever you keep your text. that's where you can do it. And you can continue to do this over and over and over again for Facebook ads. All right, so then for number 2, we can actually go through and we can create content in bulk. What I love, because I love creating content in bulk and then repurposing it. Ain't nothing like a good old repurposed content piece that gets more traction than the first time you posted it. All right. So what you can do is you can actually go into ChatGPT and you can create a ton of content. What I did is I actually went in and I created a bunch of Facebook posts and tweets. And we're going to look at content in bulk. So what I did is I actually created a ton of tweets, 20 tweets about. And so I'm going to use a different product that I actually have now. And let's do 20 tweets about it. All right, so for this product, what we are actually going to use is the Digital Marketing Masterclass, your first 1,000 followers on TikTok. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this title. I will just take that, right? It's about your first 1,000 followers on TikTok. Let's see what it comes up with if I just put just like a blanket understanding. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to put in masterclass. So as you can see, it kind of went off into a thing of, oh, I just got 1,000 followers. So it's giving you all these different ways to say that one thing. So I actually can go in and write, I'm gonna do 10 on here next time because that was a lot. Let's do 10 tweets and then I wrote it 20 different times. Okay, and this is how you can create content in bulk, because you can actually ask it to not only write Twitter posts, but you can say, write me some Facebook post, right? So here's tweets. Ready to take your TikTok presence to the next level? Our masterclass on your first 1,000 followers teaches you the strategies you need to grow your following and create viral content. Sign up now and learn from the best. Hey, I might just use that one. I actually might use that one to promote that masterclass. I go see her way. Literally seconds. You have 10 different tweets that you can then take. You're going to copy these once again, put them onto a Google Doc or Evernote, whichever one you prefer. Or you can write them down with a good old pen and a good old paper, like I like to do it sometimes, because I just wired that way. I'm old, and that's what we did back in the day before we had the whole content is done. Now, obviously, I'm gonna go in here and put a little bit of my personality and my put a little bit of my in there, because that's just what I do. I have a little flavor in it. So I'm going to flavor it a bit and put a little bit of seasoning on that chicken. And then I'm going to go ahead. That was probably not the best. Anyway, it's how you create content in bulk. I can now go through, I can send this to my VA and go, hey, go ahead and schedule all 10 of these tweets and make sure you have a link to the course as well. And then we can look at generating sales, right? And I'm actually going to try that. So I'm going to go ahead and give that a try. And then I may do a video update video. I'm not going to promise y'all I might do a video, but if you want to see that, if that's something that you want to see, then go ahead. I want you to, for this one, to send me a DM on Instagram and go, I want to see if this works. Can you try that on Twitter? And then I'll do it. All right. So let's go ahead and let's hop into our next one. All right, so for the third way that I use ChatGPT is for landing pages. Now, I create a ton of landing pages because I got ideas all the time. I mean, I just got ideas all the time. They're always popping up. What I decided to do is every time I have an idea or something that I want to do, then I will come here and I'll create a landing page. Now, I use book.me. Is it book.me? I think it's book.me. Book Like a Boss. That's what it is. Book Like a Boss. So the Book Like a Boss tool is a really great one because it connects to my calendar and I utilize that as a landing page. Now, of course, you have ClickFunnels, you have lead pages, you have actual landing pages that you can create inside of like MailChimp or MailerLite or even ConvertKit and whoever else we got out there. A ton of them. There's a lot of them. Okay. If you need that tool list, if you need a list of different tools and things that I recommend, you can actually go ahead and click down in the description below, or you can text this phone number and text this word, and you can actually get a full listing of all of the different tools that I recommend, all those good things. So anyway, back to ChatGPT. So with landing pages, you would actually go in. Well, I'm telling you, let me go in and show you. We are on number 3, which is landing pages. Now with landing pages, like I said before, I use BookMe. You can use whatever landing page tool you like to use, but this is where I do it because it's just easy and simple. You know, I'm over creating landing pages. I'm gonna be honest with you. So if I do a landing page, it's either on Podia or it's here. And now that Podia is acting a little, it might be here. So what I do is I come here and I just went ahead and went into ChatGPT and I said, generate a landing page copy for a digital content monetization analysis. And then I copied and pasted it here after I made a couple of different edits to it. That's literally the copy that I have on here. Created a landing page. So if I go in here and I put create landing page copy for, don't let monetization be a struggle any longer. I actually like this. I think I might actually use this. Let me copy it. So anyway, so then I go in here and I just pasted it here. So that is landing page. Now, the fourth way that I've actually used ChatGPT is for blog posts. So what I'll do is I'll go in and I'll get a full listing of actual titles and things that I want to talk about that correlate back to my products. So if you guys want a full video on how I actually use ChatGPT to make sales in my business, then go ahead and just leave me a comment below. Just say more in the comments and I'll know exactly what you're talking about. And I'll create a video that actually shows you how to create the titles in ChatGPT, how to actually correlate those together with your products and create blog posts, right? So for as blog posts, when you have blog posts, you don't want to just put up blog posts without having some type of direction and reason why you're doing it. Now, if you're creating blog posts just because you like to write, you go right ahead, you writer. I am not a writer. I'm actually a video or videographer, creator video. I'm trying to put creator video together and make it like video creator. I don't know. But anyway, I like to do video content. Okay. Video content is my jam. As you can see here, video content is my jam. So when I create a video post and I turn that into written content, it always has the intention and a way that it's going to draw either people into me or sell some of my products or my services. And I want you all to start thinking in that way as well. As a content creator, yes, we create content, but we also want to get monetized for the content that we create. So number 4 is blogs. Now, how do we create blogs? I sound like I said vlogs. Blogs. Create blogs with ChatGPT. So what you're going to do is type in write a blog about, and then we're going to use our same title again. So we're going to write a blog about monetize your content. Here are a few reasons: passive income, potential or professional growth, overall monetizing your content. All right. So then you want to just take this, copy it, and put it into your blog post. Like I said, if you guys want to see how I actually took this and added in my products, did all the whole good things, I can create a whole nother video. All you got to do is put more in the comment section and we'll go through that. So then number 5, the 5th way that you can use ChatGPT as a content creator is for captions on your actual videos. So I actually use a separate tool for this. I'm not going to give away all my secrets because I'm just not. But there is a separate tool that I actually used along with ChatGPT that is amazing. It makes it just, oh my gosh. Let me tell y'all, I cranked out like 100 pieces of content in one night. I got so much content. I got content coming out my ears because of the ChatGPT. I'll also go ahead and I'll give you one of the tools. I actually use 2 tools. I'll give you one of the tools that I use that really works really well along with the ChatGPT to create graphics for the actual captions. So that way I'm just posting the actual static graphics. I have moved away on Instagram. I moved away from video. I'm going to do a little bit of video over there just because I like to laugh and I like to look at my feed and just like crack up. But I don't think Instagram getting no video from me. Okay. I think the majority of the stuff they're getting from me is going to be static posts from here on out. But anyway, another time, another video, we'll have that discussion. Let's go ahead and hop into how to make these captions in ChatGPT, shall we? Now, if you're creating any kind of content online, you know that captions are the vein of your existence. The freaking captions. Captions can drive you crazy. Like literally, they can drive you nuts. Use is write a caption when you are frustrated editing video. Okay, write a caption for a video when you are frustrated with editing your video. All right, so now we're going to go through, and when you've been editing your video for hours and your eyes are starting to cross, but you know you're almost there, video editing's frustrated. I don't really like that one. Video editing can be frustrating process, but it's worth it in the end when you see the finished product. This is too bland. All right, I'm gonna be honest. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna use something that I saw. Actually, I saw Brock Johnson use this one. Here is his Instagram, Brock Johnson. He actually created a chat GPT. I tell you, sometimes I'll be having ideas about content I'm gonna create, and I'll be like, okay, I'm gonna create it, and then I don't create it, and then a couple of days go by, and then somebody pops up and they created the content. I'm like, dang it. I was going to do that. So I was actually going to do this post that Brock Johnson had did, but anyway, he did it. So I was like, now I can't do it. And I know we're content creators. You know, it's going to be times when folks do stuff that, you've done. It doesn't mean that you can't do it too. People have told me this many a day. I just feel like I don't want to do it last. I want to do it first. Okay. So I don't do it. So anyway, little backstory about Jessica and the way that Jessica's brains work. So the way that Jessica brain works. So anyway, since he did it, I went ahead and I was like, well, whatever, he did it already. I'm not going to do it, but I will show you what he did. So what he did is he went into ChatGPT and he typed in, write a 3-point story about, and then whatever the title was. So then ChatGPT will go through and actually write a story, a 3-point story that he used it on a carousel post. And you can go up to his page and take a look at the carousel post. Here, as you can see, let's go ahead. Let me get into my acting mode. Hold on a second. I had been working on editing my latest video for hours, and I was starting to feel frustrated and overwhelmed. Yes. Thank you. I know. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I should have been an actress, but it didn't happen for me that way. I ended up having 6 kids instead, but that's okay. Sell posts that would have those 3. Right, so now you have 5 different ways that you can use ChatGPT to market, promote your business, and to monetize. Now, to get down with the wow. You already know. If you're creating content, you're making money. If you're creating content, you're monetizing and you're bringing in revenue and you're bringing in leads. And I'm hitting my microphone, so I better stop. But you're doing all the things that you need to do in order to generate revenue, which is content creation. So you already know that there's a lot of multiple different ways, and maybe you want that video. If you do want the video, once again, go ahead and comment more down below. I will create the video that shows you specifically how I combine my products with my blog posts so that I can generate sales. And we'll talk a little bit about that strategy, and I'll walk you through it step by step. So go ahead and comment more in the comment section if you want to have that, if you want me to create that video and record it. I need to hear from you. I hope this video was helpful and useful to you, and also hopefully entertaining, because I try. My kids said I'm not funny, and my husband doesn't think I'm funny either, but I hope you all do. Stick around. More Joss Speaks Digital coming up here soon. Wishing you wellness in life and in business. Make sure you click down below to join the folks on my text message list. Get it all first. They get first dibs to everything. So if you're interested, go ahead and sign up there, and I'll see you all in the next video. ChatGPT, yeah.